You are going to love 2012 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.